In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paidy Visa card in Japan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Paidy is a buy now pay later service available in Japan. There are two main ways to use it. Regardless of how you choose to use Paidy, it is important that you go through the sign up process using their mobile app. So if you haven't already signed up to use Paidy, you will be able to download the mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store, and after you have it downloaded, go through the sign up process with your personal information. Sadly, for this video, I'm not going to cover the full sign up process in its entirety, but you can follow the instructions and you will be able to use all of your necessary information to sign up for their services. After you sign in and you have access to the Paidy features like buy now pay later, you will manage all of them through the app. Now, when you reach checkout on any store that accepts Paidy as a payment method, you will find it on checkout. So in this example here, Amazon. If you look under other payment methods, you can find Paidy. So all that you have to do in this case is choose Paidy as the payment method for this particular order. After you select it, you have to sign into your account using your credentials like full name, email address, and mobile number. Once you fill out all of these, you can use your Paidy account, and it is going to be detected after you type your email address. Then you can manage your payments through the app. Usually they will give you different installment options, for example, one-time payment, 3 interest-free monthly installments, or even 6 months. And like I said before, all of them will be managed through the app. Be aware of any fees that might be included, and you will be able to order from anywhere that Paidy is accepted. Now, if you have the Visa card itself, after you sign up to use their services through the app, all that you have to do in this case is open the app, go over to the card tab, and in here you can review all of the details about the card. So you will have the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. By gathering all of these details, you can use it during checkout just like any other standard debit or credit card. If you see an option to add the card to a digital wallet, that will also work, especially for in-store contactless payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Paidy Visa card in Japan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.